Alright, how y'all doing today? I'm out here at the gym. Going to do a quick little, I call it 8 to 10 minute workout you can do every day before you go to work. Here we go. We'll just get started. My name is Jerome. Here we go. We're going to get started with some jump rope. Something everybody can do at home without any equipment. Just get your blood flowing. You want to do a little nice warm up before you get into the little cardio kickboxing routine. So just get a little nice pace going. There you go. Good job. Pace up. There we go. Nice. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're going to go down to the floor. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here. Climb the mountain is what I like to call them. Come on, y'all. Y'all can do this. Climb the mountain. Get your day started off right. There you go. Push it, y'all. Come on. Nice. Some knees up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to go over to the abs real quick. Crunches. There you go, crunch up. Nice job, y'all. Add a couple punches on the way up. Here. See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. There you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang. From here, go over to a left side leg. Kicking. Very nice. Implementing a side kick. Foot's nice and pointed. As if I was going to break a board. Nice. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch it up. Keep going, y'all. All right, everybody doing good out there. I do cardio kickboxing classes on Saturday mornings, 11 to 11:45. This is just one of my little quick routines I put together so everybody can do it at home before they head to work. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. Pace yourself. Nice little run. Nice. Good job. Back into the jump rope. Nice. Good job, y'all. Come on, a little fancy. A little spin on the jump rope. Come on. Y'all can do this. All right, from here, then go into a front kick. So you're going to step back and up and cut and up and up and up and up and up and up. Boom, boom, boom. Most important, you guys got to breathe and pace it up. See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. Wow. Shut, 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 shut. Bam, and nice. And 2, 3, 4, and 5. And switch. Long, shoom, boom, boom, boom. Remember that knee's got to come up before you throw that kick. Keep it up high. There you go, guys. You guys are doing awesome. All right, awesome. We're about 5 minutes into the workout. You guys should be starting to feel nice and warm now. Okay, from here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight into a horseback stance. Punch. Remember, punch that comes under the body. Hands stay nice and tight. And speed it up. Nice, nice pace. All the way out with that punch. Boom. Body, shoulders, side to side. Going from here. Uppercuts. Bending up. Power up. There you go. Let's go. Boom. Bam. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and punch, punch, up, punch, punch, up, punch, 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 up, 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 punch, punch, up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, 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 and a side step, uppercut, side step, uppercut, side step, uppercut, boom, 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 punch, punch, shift, shift, punch, punch, upper, upper, 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 and punch, punch, upper, upper. Back into your little jog. Keep going, guys. We're almost there. Almost time to get set off this work properly. A little more jump rope. There you go. Nice job. And from here, go into a short squat. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, aho, you. Knees up, come on. Almost done. 3 minutes to go. Push it, guys. There you go. Nice job. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed my little 8 to 10 minute workout. And back up. From here, side kick. Step over, boom. Step over, boom. 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 You feeling good? Nice side kicks. Boom. Now let's go front, tap, side, front, tap, side, front, tap, side, shift, 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 boom, 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 and shift, shift, boom, and switch, bang, boom, 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 and 2, and 1, and burn down, work down. All done, y'all. Everybody give yourself a hand. Little cool down. Nice workout, y'all. Way to do this in the morning. Them heels up high. Nice job. From here, stop, feet together. Quick stretch down. Make sure you got a little breathing. Nice job. And up slow. Hip rotations. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed my little 8 to 10 minute workout. Hop on it a couple days a week. Will help you get fit. And until next time, enjoy. Take care of your body.